my great grandfather was umfundisi eWeseli, so it's in our family ukuthi siqiniswe eWeseli. So there's I don't know if I should call it a ritual that they do, which is called uqiniswa, ukubhabhadiswa. Yeah. So every time ukubhabhadiswa, you have to choose a song, and they usually tell you abefundisi that this is the song that is going to sustain you your whole life. So Nami, back in 2011, it was a very sad day for me. I just lost my best friend who took their own life. Yes, and I came back from their funeral, and we had been preparing for umqiniso, and then that day I needed to choose a song, and this is the song that came to me. Uthi bawo xa ndilahlekayo. There's a verse I love so much here, and it says, xa uthatha esisipho amandla amephela ngakuzama ukuthi ngithi mayenzeke intando yakho. So okusho ukuthi noma ngabe kunzima kangakanani, noma ngabe you take the things that I value emhlabeni, kodwa mina ndiyothi mayenzeke intando yakho. It has been sustaining me impilo yami yonke, engipha amandla, iyangiphilisa, iyangipholisa, ngiphila ngayo kakhulu.